Well, hello everybody on this beautiful day. We had rain yesterday, so today we're going to be back into it. We're going to have a tree job to do. We're not going to do it today, but we're going to across the street sometime this week. We'll do that. Over there at the building, it has all the graffiti on it. There's docks out back for their trucks to unload and load, and they want us to clean that up and clean the fence line. So we'll go over and do that, take care of all that. Our dumpster got emptied yesterday afternoon. We usually empty that 2-3 times a year, a season. I know I say a year, but I guess you could say seasons because we only do work during 3 seasons. Spring, summer, and fall. We are off in the winter. Empty. No deer this morning. Some of the guys are starting to show up. Be missing. My son's not going to be there today. He's going to get checked. I think he's having problems with his gallbladder. He's going to have an exam done at the hospital this morning. Hopefully everything will be okay. So you guys come along with us and we'll show you guys what we get done in a day. Enjoy. Alright, we're just getting this one going. You can see where the guy already did the corner there. Pretty big one. The guy's doing over there. Brian's up on top over there. I'll get my ladder going. I'll go down in the corner over there, see what I can do, help the boys out. Alright, look at this big one. Guy's just finishing up in the corner up there with the boom van. Nobody's home. It's a good one. Hey, this was a good one. Come out really good, considering what it looked like. Didn't walk around here a little while ago. Brian's just gonna do a little correction up on top there. Looks really good. I don't like it when the guys leave the blowers laying around. Somebody could drive by and pick it up. Alright, we're gonna get the ladder off of that. Alright, see how we got the ladder going there? The guy's holding it at the bottom there, just to make sure it doesn't come out and end up in the pool. Look at all the stuff fell in the pool. The cedar is over the pool. This is where you'd have to cut into it like what we did. If you guys go back and look, I did a video where we cut into a guy, his hedge. He had the pool, it was coming up over the same as this guy. We fixed it all up. You got just enough. Fais attention là. Il y a un trou. A bit complicated to get done here. But we got it done. We always get it done. We've never taken a job that we couldn't do. Where I always said, don't take jobs that you can't do. You're just gonna get yourself in trouble. If it's too much, you let somebody else can do it. Somebody else will be better, have better equipment to do it. Pretty good set pile of hedge there. All right, well this side looks good. Go look on the street side, see how that came out. That sign, see, we couldn't even see that sign with the fire hydrant. Looks really good. Alright, we're gonna walk around. I'm gonna show you guys a bit what's going on here. This place here has a pool out back. It is very, very complicated. We've been doing this place probably 15 years. Been a couple owners have been here since. Look at this pool they have in here. Not much room to walk here. Not too fun to clean. Poor guys trying to clean. Then you got all the flowers right underneath. Put the garbage cans back. We had a neighbor call a little while ago. One of the jobs we did today. I don't think I filmed it. A little bit of hedge fell on the neighbor's side from the top. On the other side, he called the office for us to go clean it. Can you imagine that? You know, just from doing the top angle a bit. Isn't that something, eh? I'm happy we weren't too far. They didn't call in the evening and I'd have to send somebody the next day and take a 20 minutes to get over there and 20 minutes to get back and 5 minutes to pick up. Send somebody over and he said, there was nothing. There was only a little bit of stuff that fell from cutting up on top. I said, that's what happens. Look how high that is. We do the top of this one from the other side. You can see the angle here. See how the land is. Big angle. See this big bump here? This is from the snow in the winter. That's what caused that. I'm gonna take my van. I'm gonna go up for a couple houses up from here. Turn this one around. Go up over there behind the Purelator truck. I'll go see what we can do over here. It's always a bit complicated beside his little garage he built out back there to try to get that angle up there. Alright, we're just stopping here this morning. It's raining. The rest of the week's supposed to be okay, so we'll take it. It's been quite the season though. Quite the season with everything going on. We'll head back to the shop, see what we got going on.